Hello, in this video I will show you how to do a hard reset through settings on OPPO A2. So you have to start with opening your settings application and now scroll down and click on additional settings. Now scroll down again and click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone and click on erase all data. Now you have to draw your unlock pattern and now click erase data and click erase data again. And now your hard reset procedure has started. And now your phone is back to its factory settings and you have to do your phone setup all over again. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.